Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, my name is Jason Hood. Welcome to my channel. The other day, Facebook made me aware that I needed something in my life. It was the Strum Buddy. So I went ahead and picked one up, and I thought I'd give a review of it. Let y'all see what it's about. I've never seen it anywhere, but Facebook knew I needed it, so who am I to argue with Facebook, right? So it's the Strum Buddy by Fluid Audio there. And what it is a little, this thing, it's a speaker. It's almost like your little Bluetooth speakers that you just have around and you hook your Bluetooth up to it. But it's for your guitar, and it has a little suction cup on it. So you can just suction it, well, to your guitar, because it's for your guitar. Now I've already taken it out of the box there and charged it up. There's a little cable that goes into there. So, and it comes on whenever you hook it up. I don't know if you can hear that. There's a little buzz there. That might not be that. That might be my guitar. And I just wanted to show some of the different things that it will do. It goes off of the volume on your guitar. There's no volume on the actual thing there. So got my volume all the way up. It's just a clean sound. That's pretty cool. Practicing your riffs, practicing your chords and your scales and your arpeggios and whatnot. This button here, there's 3 buttons on it. One is for crunch, is what it says on the thing, but sounds like distortion to me. Of course, you got different settings for your pickups. You're gonna get different sounds out of that. So that was the crunch or distortion. Back to plain or clean. This is chorus. I like it. I like it a lot. Makes me want to play open chords. So that's just chorus by itself. I guess it depends on what pickup you're using as far as picking out any kind of lead with it. So that's chorus. Turn that one off so you're back clean again. This says reverb, but sounds like delay to me. Or maybe both. So there you go. There's reverb. So, combine a few of them for you. You can press them all at the same time. It doesn't have to all be one by one. So you have your crunch. You know, put a little chorus on your crunch. Yeah, there you go. So you can practice your riffs. And then we'll add the what did I say? It was reverb at the end? So it sounds like there's a little static or a little something in there, but that may be this guitar. This guitar I got from my dad. I inherited from my father, and he bought it at a garage sale for like $5 is the story that was told. So it may very well be the guitar, but I love this little guitar. So yeah, that's the what do we say it was? The Strum Buddy by Fluid Audio. It was 59 bucks on Amazon. I like it. I think I'm gonna get a lot of mileage out of it because I'm one that I sit with my guitar all the time, like while I'm watching TV and stuff. Can't really use that while I'm doing that, but it gives me something to, something different than my amps and stuff, and little effects to play around with. So there you go. I highly recommend it. Get yourself one or two or three, but Facebook knows what's good for you, so just go ahead and get you one. All right.